So once we do that, it's going to pull up the SFC modules. Okay, so these are basically going to be the different plugins that we can activate on our WordPress blog. Okay, so this first one, login with Facebook, it's basically going to give people a button where they can log in to Facebook from our page. Okay, so we'll go ahead and have that one on here. User registration, we'll skip this for now, we'll come back to it. And then there's basically two different buttons here. One's a share button, one's a like button. I like the like button. The share button is basically the same thing, but back in the day Facebook had a share button. They don't have that anymore. So the guy who made this app just changed it to a button that's similar to this. So let's keep the like button for one reason, and that's because the like button allows you to have a send button that lets people share your content with their friends. So let's hit that. Let's hit Publisher. Publisher is going to automatically send all of our posts to our Facebook wall of our page. And then sidebar widgets, we'll leave that blank for now. Come back to that. And then allow Facebook login to comment. We'll do that one. Integrate Facebook comments. Click that. And photo posting. Okay, so this is going to integrate Facebook photo albums into the media display. Okay, so we'll do all those, and then we'll come down here and click Save Changes again. Awesome. So now we've got a couple of different settings that we need to update for each plugin. So for the login plugin, we're going to use the Facebook avatars. It's basically the picture and preference to the gravatar. So let's click that button. The like button settings, we need to pick where we want to put our like button. For this example, let's just put it before the content. You can put it after your content of each post, or before and after if you want to have two buttons. And then the like button layout, you can just do a standard button, or you can do a button with a counter that shows all the likes. So let's do that. That way if we get a bunch of likes for each post, it'll show that, and we'll get that social proof that's always really good in social media. Like button action, let's keep that at like. Send button, let's enable that send button too. That's going to allow people to send our content manually to other email addresses and Facebook friends. Okay, now we're here at the publish settings. So we can automatically publish each post to our Facebook fan page or to our Facebook profile. I'm just going to post to our Facebook fan page for now. You can always change that to post to your profile, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. And then grant SFC permissions. We basically have to give permission to post to our Facebook page. So all you do is click on grant SFC permissions. It's going to pull up your page here. You're going to say login with Facebook. Allow to post on your behalf. And done. And then if you scroll down here, it should say user ID and access token found, application access token found, and fan page access token found. They should be highlighted in green. If so, then you're good to go. You'll just come down here and click Save Changes. Okay, and I believe we have set up everything we need to set up. Awesome.